BambooHR is the human resource software solution used by over 20,000 small and medium businesses. But is it the right human resource software tool for you? We seek to answer that question as we cover the most important things you should consider before purchasing a human resource software tool, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a BambooHR customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. Software Pundit gave BambooHR an analyst rating of 89 out of 100, and it is currently ranked 5th in our human resource software category. Job postings are user-friendly and simple to set up in BambooHR. This software can automate and track onboarding and offboarding processes. Also, monitoring employee hours is easy to visualize with BambooHR's calendar. On the other hand, payroll, time tracking, and performance management modules all cost extra. BambooHR does not support expense management, and you cannot run benefits directly on the platform. BambooHR's pricing starts at $99 per month for 12 employees. Each additional employee is $8.25 per month. If you want to run payroll for your employees, you will need to pay an extra $75 per month for 10 employees. Each additional employee is $4.25 per month. Finally, performance management and time tracking features are an additional $4.25 and $3 per employee per month, respectively. BambooHR comes equipped with an applicant tracking system, or ATS. These capabilities enable you to easily manage job postings and candidate information from one central location. Although its capabilities could replace the need for a dedicated ATS, BambooHR does not allow you to edit your applicant pipeline like in Sage HR and other more advanced solutions. Creating and editing a job post in BambooHR is easy to do. BambooHR generates a landing page for your post with a shareable link. You can also post directly to Glassdoor and Indeed through BambooHR's native integrations with both applications. Editing your application is also easy. A number of common application requirements, such as a candidate's resume, their LinkedIn profile, and their first date of availability, are all automatically added. Candidates all have their own profile inside BambooHR. Their profile includes information such as resumes, cover letters, and feedback from interviewers. This saves time and also prevents the need to track this data in spreadsheets or emails. The two biggest disadvantages to BambooHR's recruiting capabilities are its lack of custom scorecards and pipelines. You are limited to the basic 5-star ratings and the candidate pipeline that BambooHR comes with. BambooHR allows you to automate employee onboarding and offboarding tasks in its settings. This means that sending necessary documents and tasks to employees when they're entering or exiting your company is easy to accomplish. Creating and editing a task is straightforward. You can select your task name, description, and due date, as well as the candidate you want to assign the task to. Furthermore, you can categorize tasks by department. This means that your HR team, IT department, and managers will know exactly what tasks they need to do when employees are being onboarded and offboarded. BambooHR also allows you to create a new hire packet template. This is a template that contains information such as when and where your new employee should arrive and who they should contact upon arrival. You can create an introductory email that is sent on the morning of your employee's first day. These are all effective ways of welcoming and assisting your new hires. BambooHR's time tracking tools are helpful for small businesses with hourly employees. Your employees can clock in and out and request time off. Your managers can set paid time off policies, monitor hours, approve timesheets, and approve time off requests. You can create as many PTO policies as you require for your employees. Common policies include sick days, vacation days, or bereavement. You can customize the amount of time employees can take off, define PTO accrual methods, and select eligibility for certain employees. BambooHR comes with a comprehensive amount of important reports, but creating reports is far less intuitive than alternatives like Gusto. BambooHR dynamically tracks your company's progress in many different categories. Some common types of reports are benefit summaries, audit trails, and candidate funnels. Overall, BambooHR is effective for companies in need of user-friendly job posting features with basic time tracking and reporting capabilities. These businesses will also find its employee onboarding and offboarding automation helpful. We do not, however, Recommend BambooHR if running either payroll or benefits are priorities for your business. If you want to primarily run payroll or benefits for your business, consider Gusto. If you want to offer benefits to employees that work in states not supported by Gusto, you should consider JustWorks. If you still need job posting features with performance and expense tracking, try Sage HR. If you're interested, you can try BambooHR today by clicking the link in the description. Do you agree with the recommendation for BambooHR? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.